Hey guys, so today we are going to be starting a new unit for May, and we are going to be focusing on some new letters. We have two vowels, E and U, and then we also have our consonants, X, V, Y, Z, J, Q, and our blend GL. Goal, goal. So let's go back to our vowels, E and U. We're going to start with E. So right now we have uppercase E right here and lowercase e. Now in this unit, we're going to be focusing on the long vowel sound. So the sound that says its name. So instead of like the sound for elephant, we're going to be saying the E sound for eagle. So let's make sure when we're thinking of the E sound that we're saying the long vowel sound. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of the E words. Okay, our first word is eat. Eat. And
Eat.
eat. And it looks like he is eating some vegetables, maybe some salad or peas or beans. So eat. Next is emu.
Emu.
Emu, that is a uh, animal that we don't see very often in Atlanta. Kind of sort of looks like an ostrich as well. So emu has the long vowel sound E, emu. Next word is
Eagle.
eagle, eagle. We see an eagle flying high above in the sky. Eagle. Next word is
East.
east. So we have our four directions: north, south, east, and west. East, east. Okay, let's go ahead and take a break or pause, and you can take a few minutes to maybe go around your house and find a few words that make the long vowel sound E in your house. And then come on back and we'll go to our next vowel. Okay, so let's go ahead and head to the vowel U. And we're saying, again, the long vowel sound, the way that when the U says its name. So it's not a like umbrella, it's a U sound, like use. So up here we have the uppercase U, and over here we have the lowercase u. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of our U's. All right, so down here we have use,
Use.
use. All right, we use a piece of paper to draw on. We use. Next one is unit.
Unit.
Unit. Unit. Unit is usually a part of something. So part of a bigger, if it's a building, then you can have a unit. It's a part of the building. Um, or like we have our schoolwork. We are in the May unit for the entire year. So it's a part of something. Unit. Our next word is uniform.
Uniform.
Uniform. We see uniforms all over. A lot of kids wear uniforms to school, and then we have police officers, we have our mailman, we have all of our healthcare workers. A lot of times they're wearing uniforms. So we wear uniform, or we see uniforms in many different places in our community. Okay, the next one is unicorn.
unicorn,
Unicorn, unicorn. You hear that U sound, unicorn. And I'm sure you've seen lots of unicorns at in the stores and parties, and unicorns are super popular and very fun to play with. I know my little girl loves unicorns. Maybe Addie, your baby sister Landon, she might like unicorns now too. All right, let's now pause, and you can take a few minutes to go around your house and look for some of those U words that make the long vowel U sound. U. All right. Now that we're back, we're going to actually this is going to stop, and we'll pick back up again in the next video, where we'll be doing our matching the words with our sound in the mats, the activity mats. So I will see you in the next video.